In this video, how to make passive income with no money in 2019. Create passive income without investing. One nice thing about passive income is that you do the work once and then you can collect the profits for a long time. But make no mistake, it does require some work, but it is very attainable. We live in a time with endless opportunities for passive income. So with this video, I will give you 5 ways people are making life-changing money online. The first way, Clickbank. Clickbank doesn't focus on physical products, but also courses on health and fitness, making money online, how-to articles, crafts, etc. One major bonus with Clickbank is they have a reputation for their high commission payouts. Why? Because their focus is on the back-end sales. They give up a large portion of initial sales to acquire that lasting customer who will pay down the road. Now, you can also sell your own products as well. And creating your own products will not necessarily cost you any money. However, you will have to spend time and energy creating something worth selling. For ideas, simply log into Clickbank and check out some of the other sellers and what they sell. This will give you an idea of the array of products out there. Again, Clickbank is free to join. YouTube. Again, YouTube makes the list for passive income. I feel many people overlook YouTube to generate passive income. So many creators and marketers focus on the new policy changes, the 1,000 subs you have to have, the 4,000 watch hours just to monetize your site, which this is a slow process if you want to monetize, for example, with AdSense. But here's something to think about when it comes to YouTube. What if you had an evergreen niche like weight loss? Evergreen means it'll always be someone looking for or talking about it. It's evergreen. Weight loss, relationships, making money online. And your channel, let's say it focused on how to lose belly fat fast. You don't need 1,000 subs to make money. Well, how so? Let's say you only had 500 subs. Now, 500 is not going to get you monetized, but those are real life people, right? That's tuning in to your channel. Let's say you promoted an affiliate offer from Clickbank, paying, let's say, $50 per sign up. And you put that link in the description of your video and made note of it, told your subs to check it out if they were interested, if they want to buy, if they don't want to buy. Let's say 20 people bought or purchased through your link. You just made $1,000. This is simply one way many are making passive income on YouTube. So don't let the 1,000 subs, 4,000 watch hours scare you off when it comes to making a YouTube channel. Number 3, blogging. This way will actually cost you some money, but hear me out. I know you say, well, what about no investing? Hear me out. If you want to blog or create a website, a domain is roughly, and give or take, $10 to $12 a year. So $10. A lot of us can find it in our couch cushions, right? And then you're going to need hosting, which is no more than $10 a month, maybe $15 at the most. But we've heard of hosting companies. GoDaddy's a hosting company. HostGator is a hosting company. And one I really love, Bluehost, a great hosting company. Their customer service is top notch. And really, a hosting company is a web host or web hosting service provider. It is a business that promotes or provides the technologies and services needed for the website or your blog to be viewed in the internet. They house all your information, sort of like one complete package there, one host. And I will put Bluehost in the description. Now, it is an affiliate link. If you're interested in checking it out, I'll make a portion of sales for anyone who clicks on it or signs up through me. So just being very candid there. So having your own blog creates a whole bunch of opportunities to create streams of passive income. If you are passionate about, let's say, gardening, pets, crafting, arts, bowling, painting, drones, etc., I think you get the picture. You will be much more likely to have a successful blog by focusing on the things you love to do. Let's face it, you will less likely get tired of something you really enjoy. This way, it hardly seems like work. Posting to your blog regularly will establish you as an expert in this field and will keep those regulars coming back for new ideas, new information on your channel or your website. Of course, money will not start to come in overnight. Blogging is a long-term game, but very profitable. If you have the killer content everyone is looking for, ads one of the easiest way to monetize your blog by putting ads on it, going to maybe Amazon, getting an Amazon link for an ad, become an affiliate there, you can make money. Advertisers will come to you if you get a lot of visitors. They'll want to place their ads and they'll pay you for it. So with places like Google AdSense and Amazon Associates, you can collect affiliate commissions as long as you continue to get traffic to your site. Number 4, Teespring. Teespring allows you to sell physical products and create your own brand or logo to put on them. For example, most people think of Teespring as the place to sell t-shirts, but you can also use your design skills to place on things like coffee cups. Place your designs on those coffee cups. One person designed a cool picture and placed it on an iPhone case, the cover. This turned into a very lucrative payout for this person. The most popular items are t-shirts and hoodies. It's free to use and you earn money through selling the products you have designed on Teespring. I love this concept for the person who has design skills and would like to showcase those design skills to the world. In the meantime, make some money off of it. So Teespring simply takes a cut of what you sell. So check those guys out if you have those design chops there. And last but not least, Patreon. Many people have not heard of Patreon, but Patreon lets your followers donate to you on a subscription basis. If you are new to Patreon right now, you will no doubt see plenty of musicians and artists showcasing their talents if you go there. What a great way to show your appreciation for the many gifted artists out there. Your followers can decide how much they want to donate to you. In many cases, most people donate $1 to your cause. Let's say you're a musician and they go to your page and they want to donate $1. You say, wow, that's nothing. $1? Kidding me? Think about this. It becomes something when you have 10,000 patrons, or those Patreons that go to your page, giving you that on a regular basis. Now, do I have your attention? Over 150 million have been sent to creators to this day, which shows you the potential there is to make a great source of passive income. However, to show your appreciation for your patrons, or Patreons, however you want to call it, you will have to give them something back, such as exclusive content to your music, your artistry, or something of that nature. You might have to give them some behind-the-scenes footage. You know, you could think about that and kind of think outside the box in regards to that. But Patreon, another way that many are making passive income. So that was just 5 ways to passive income with little to no investment. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Again, we'll put link in the description for hosting. If you're looking to start that blog, such as Bluehost, you'll see that down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.